In this video today, guys, I'm going to show you how you can get involved with a company that involves research studies. There are thousands of these things available. I mean, there's no way that you could ever run out. You can literally make a full-time income with this, and it will pay you anywhere from $50 per hour up to over $200 per hour, in some cases even higher. And they really need your help. There's thousands of these things available, and there's enough categories of the availability that anybody can get involved with this and pretty much make a full-time income, as you'll see. Alrighty, guys, if that sounds good to you and you're ready to get started on this video, this is going to be a short video, but it's going to be a good one. So stick around. We're going to get started on it here right now. But before we do, though, for those of you that are new to my channel or to my videos and you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, well, anytime during the video as you're watching it, whenever you feel like it, appreciate it if you reach down there below the video and click the subscribe button, and also click the notification bell there so that you get notified when I upload new videos. Alrighty? Well, guys, thanks a lot for that. Also, anytime that you feel like you're getting some value out of this particular video, reach down there and mash that thumbs up button for me if you would too. That'll help my channel out as well. Thanks a lot, guys. I appreciate it. All right, well, let's go ahead and get started on this. I'm kind of excited to show you this website here. It's coming over here to this site right here. You see it right here. It's called User Interviews. You can look at it right up here in the address bar, guys. It's userinterviews.com. You see it right there. And what this site is companies and individuals come here to this site to look for participants, which would be you and I, to help them in their research of their products or their websites. And guys, there's just so many different types of research, which you will see here soon on this video, and that you can get involved with and make a lot of good money with this. And they come here and they join. I mean, there's a lot of companies. You recognize some of these companies that work with this particular website: Adobe, Spotify, Pinterest, Intuit, CNN, and Amazon, just for name a few. And they recruit participants, which are just people like you and me, to give our opinion back on their products or their services or so on and so forth and whatnot. And they value that, and they value it so well that they pay really, really good for this, all right, which you'll see here in a moment. It comes on down here and it talks about other things down through here. I'll let you guys read this, but what we want to do is we want to come up here and we want to click on right here where it says, you see my mouse is here, guys, for participants. And you can come down here and you can sign up to participate right here. Now, when you sign up, you can choose a local account here. Now, I'm not sure, I haven't found out yet just how they pay, but I'm going to guess it's probably PayPal and maybe even bank transfer as well, too. That's something that you'll have to find out. I haven't seen anywhere on here, but I'm sure that that's probably how they pay. PayPal mostly. So make sure you have a PayPal account just in case, okay? But you can sign up with a local account here, and you can sign up with a LinkedIn account and a Facebook account, which most people have. You can just click and sign in or sign up with that. And they'll probably send you an email confirmation just to make sure that you can verify it and that you are who you say you are. And then you want to come back and you get signed in. And when you get signed in, you want to click on Browse the Online Studies here, guys. And we'll click on that, and it says right here, Paid Research Studies. Top companies want your feedback. Make money participating in user research studies and help influence the products and services of tomorrow. Participating is fun and easy. Give your opinion on new product ideas and prototypes. Test an application or website, or simply talk about your life experiences. Sounds pretty easy. Apply to studies below and we'll send you more paid study opportunities. And guys, there are literally thousands here, right here on this page, and they need you so bad they're telling you if you apply to it, they're even going to send you more in your email. Alrighty? So they really need people here. And look how much they're willing to pay here. Look here, for example, this first one here. Are you a gamer? Then we want to talk to you. So if you like to play games, look here. It's $50 for 2 hours right there. Come down here, the next one. I'm not going to go through all these guys. There's literally thousands of them here, but I'll just touch on a few of them here. There's a food study right here. We're looking for people to help with a food survey. If you qualify, which I would think that you do, I mean, we all qualify, right? I mean, we all eat food. So we have an opinion on what foods we like and so on and so forth. So I think anybody could qualify for this. Look here. They're going to pay $125 for 1 hour and 1 hour and 30 minutes of participating in this study. That's pretty good money. Here's a different one on roles and responsibilities, $50 in 1 hour. Testing a website prototype for demolishing Federation in the UK, $50 an hour, and all these are work from home, guys. This is all 100% free. And you should be able to do this from anywhere in the world, okay? All you need here is computer, and if it says online right here, which most of these do, all you do is have to have is a computer and a webcam on most of these. Some of them will let you use a tablet or even a smartphone and that kind of thing. And you can see the dates, like the study dates for this particular one right here, for $50 for a half an hour, guys. That's $50 for just a half an hour participation. And the study dates are April the 25th, which is coming up here in a few days, and the 26th for 2 days. And get on that for just a half an hour and make $50. And that's amazing stuff. And then here's AI. I mean, it comes on down there, $60 for 45 minutes, $65 for 30 minutes, $125 for an hour and 30 minutes. All these, $50 for 45 minutes. It just comes down to $65, $40, $125 for an hour and a half, $100 for 45 minutes of time. Guys, that's amazing stuff. And you can check these out and participate in as many of these as you can. And there's enough here that they've got stuff for everybody, guys. I mean, look at this. It just keeps coming, and it keeps coming. And then $150 there for an hour and 15 minutes. And anybody that suffers on chronic diseases, all kinds of different research studies that people want your opinion. And as you see, look, here's $100 for a half an hour right there on this one. And they're paying really good money for a short. Here's $200 for only 45 minutes. About building information. If you have anything they want your opinion, and it's $200 for just 45 minutes of time. And it just goes on. $100 for an hour, 45. I mean, there's all kinds of these, and they're all different. And anybody can get involved with this, I would think, and make a really good income. Imagine if you just did a couple of these per week. I mean, that could be $300 a week right there. I mean, this is all, you're not an employee here, guys. You do these when you want. You find the ones you want and you apply to them. And if you get accepted, which most of these, if you do, I mean, most of these people involved in these, you must know something about it, so they're going to want to talk to you, right? This one here is video games again. They're paying $125 for an hour and 30 minutes, an hour and a half. You just need a computer and a webcam, and it's done online right from home. They even have a focus group, too. And it just goes on and on, guys. There are so many that there are enough for everybody to come over here and make some really, really good money. $200 for 45 minutes. That's great stuff there. Another $200 for 45. I mean, it just on anywhere from about $50 up to about $200 that you can make, and it just continues on and on and on. There are thousands of these guys. There's no reason why you can't come over here and get yourself involved in these studies, as many as you want, and make yourself some pretty good money here on this website called userinterviews.com, guys. That's the video I had for you today, guys. I told you it was going to be a short and a sweet one, and it is. Anybody can come over here and get involved with this and make some pretty good money giving your opinion on whatever it is that you're interested in talking about with these. Alrighty? Well, guys, if you like this video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to leave any comments or questions down below, and I'll get back with you on that if you have any. And also, if you didn't hit the subscribe button or the notification, do that now. Go ahead and click subscribe and become a subscriber on my channel. And also, if you want to learn high-ticket affiliate marketing, I've got a free video that you can see, and it's down in the top of my description. If you reach down there below the top and click where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and watch a free video presentation that'll show you how you can get involved in high-ticket affiliate marketing and make some pretty good money doing that too. Alrighty? Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that. I'll see you guys again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.